Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. You know the model number of my pocket knife is a Stanley 10-049. Look at this thing here, model 10-079. Let me show you that you can use the lowly utility knife to make fire. Let's start off with the Ferro Rod and then we'll do flint and steel. I need to sharpen it first though. Smith's Diamond Stone. We'll use this yellow side, which is coarse, to sharpen up the spine. Because we're going to be doing some scraping. Yep, that's very sharp. And then we'll sharpen up the edge on this fine side. It doesn't take much for a utility knife blade. Let's make some feathers now. That'll be plenty to go ahead and catch the spark off the Ferro Rod. Now we'll make some coarser shavings to go with that. What's the chance that we could break this in half right here at the knot? Let's see if we can do that. What do you think? These 2x6s are pretty tough. That's why they use them for lumber, whatever type wood this is. Let's see if we can split that. That's the way it's supposed to work. And that's where it hit right there. Do you ever just get out there and experiment and try stuff to see what will work and what won't? That's usually what I do. Razor sharp. Let's go ahead and make our fire. And put these two pieces on top. And our ignited tinder right here in the front where the wind can get to it. Let's try it and see what happens. Bayite keychain Ferro Rod. 3 1/8 inches long by 5/16. What do you think about that? I think it'll work. We'll just leave it be and let nature take its course while I mow this grass. This is why we're out here experimenting. See what's going to work and what doesn't work. Let's see if the pine needles can save the day for us. It's burning now, good. Come on with me, we'll rinse out from under the lawnmower and come back and take a look at it. Let's take a look at the fire now. It's going to burn up. It's just not going to have big showy flames. Do me a favor now before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.